Collab theme is National Girlfriends Day, which will be on August 1st. These are the ladies that are taking part in today's collab. Their information is in the description box. My favorite thing to do with my girlfriends when we get to the ladies or girls day or night out is to go out and eat. We love to talk about family, love life, work life, and everything in between. We laugh, we giggle, we talk, we hug each other upon arrival of each one, and the embraces of the hugs are just so nice because we don't see each other every day. We don't talk to each other every day because we all have busy lives. Some of us are stay-home wives, some of us are stay-home moms, and mostly everybody else have other things that they have to do. They gotta go to work, they gotta do this, they gotta do that, to the church. It's a lot in our daily lives. But when we get together, boy, we just have a ball. We order food and our drinks and our water, and we just enjoy and laugh. It takes us a long time to get through our meals because we are so busy talking about who is dating, who is engaged, who is single, who is married. I mean, we talk about everything. Most of the time when we go out, it's about 6 of us. I love my friends dearly. Whenever I make a friend, whenever I have a friend, I love them dearly. But this group of friends, it's about 6 of us, and we try to go out once a month just to hang out and talk and check in with each other, see how each other is doing, what are the struggles, what we can help each other with, what we can, even though we do call each other separate and talk every now and then, but when we meet up as a group, we try to see what we can help with, what we can talk about, what we can solve while we're there at dinner. It is just so much fun. I love it. I love good friends. Good friends are important. As we get older, our friends are not as many as they used to. And I know sometimes we'll say, it's better to just have one friend than to have a lot of friends. Yeah, it's nice to have acquaintances also. Because as we get older and our friends pass away, we realize how important friendship can be. It's easy to be a loner. I can be a loner any day, but I love when I call my friends or text them good morning or meet up and we all get together and have a good time, or my friends show up by the house and we just sit there just talking about life problems, life issues, life struggles, life challenges, and then life fun. It is a nice thing. So if you're out there and you don't have any friends, try to at least reach out to one person. And trusting a friend or your friends is so important. I can trust any of my friends with anything. I don't have that many secrets, so I can trust my friends with. I'll pick any friend and I can tell them anything about me, because that is what a friend is. And I love that about my friends. I can tell them anything and they do the same. They'll call me, they'll ask for advice, they will talk to me about what's going on at work or home or anything like that, and it's safe. Even all of us are friends, and I've known some of them since back in 1984. And along the way, I've made others. I got to know some of them back in 1993. And I'm still making friends today. I just went on vacation And at the hotel where we stayed, I made friends with two of the cashiers. Every morning came down and I said morning to them, talk to them, find out how they're doing. I know their names. And yes, even though I didn't exchange numbers with them, but for that week I make sure I went and I greet them, I talked to them and everything. It's not hard to make a friend. You just have to make sure when you make that friend, it's somebody you want to hang out with or talk to or can call. And if you can't call your friends when you are in a bad situation or in a rut, or you're just having a horrible day and you can't call your friend or text your friend, then you need to look for other friends, because friends are not only for good times. Friends are supposed to be there all the time. All the time. You don't have to call them every day. You don't have to text them every day. But if they have in a situation and they text you or call you, you should not say, oh, well, they haven't called me when things were good, where they call me when things are bad, because I've heard people say those things. Don't say that a friend is a friend. When they need you, they reach out. Be there for them. Love them. Advice, give them advice you'd like for yourself, give to your friends. You want to see your friends prosper, you want to see your friends happy, and you want to know when your friends are going through something, they'll reach out to you and you'll be there to talk to them or text them and uplift them. It's nice to have friends. I love my friends. I love my friends. And August 1st will be National Girlfriends Day. Reach out to one of your friends. You don't have to reach out to all. Reach out to one, like I do. Every other day, I text a different group of friends. I just say, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. And that's all I text. I don't text the same group every day. And whenever I think of someone, I text them just to say hello. So it's not a lot to be a friend. You just have to be there when they need you. Again, all the ladies that are taking part into this collab, the information is in my description box. Go see what they have to say about their friends when they hang out and what they love about their friends. I love my friends dearly. Dearly, dearly, dearly. My kids have a saying. They say, Mom, every time you go out, you come back, you have a new friend. It is true. I talk to everyone. I say hello to people when I meet them. So enjoy your friends. Love your friends. Have fun with your friends. You might not see them every day, but a text, a call here and there, it's always nice. And thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Okay? Take care. Love you all. Bye-bye.